Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by C.H. Wheeler in 1877. You can see that black has the king, 2 pawns, queen and a bishop. White has the king, 5 pawns, pair of bishops, rook and a queen. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Advancing the c pawn can actually get you a checkmate in 3. Black has to move the queen to b8 to prevent a mate in 2. The queen can take back. The king can't move, so black has to move the pawn or the bishop. And then after that, you can mate in 3 by advancing the d-pawn. Moving the king to e2 is another mate in 3, but not 2. Black can respond with the queen to b6. You can then advance the d-pawn, which gets the king in check. Then black can block with the queen, so you only get a mate in 3. Moving the queen to d6 is another mate in 3. Black has to move their queen to keep the protection of the d4 square, but the other queen can take. Then black has to move the bishop, and then you can advance the d-pawn to get the mate in 3. Moving the queen to c5 is only a mate in 3. This time the black queen has to move to b8 to prevent a mate in 2. You can then advance the d-pawn. The king can't move, so black has to block with the queen. And then the bishop can just take the queen to get a mate in 3. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to a1. Black takes the queen with their queen. You can then advance the d-pawn to do a reveal check by the bishop. That's a checkmate in 2. If black does something else like move the bishop, you then can't advance the d-pawn because it's pinned by the black queen on the white king. You can instead checkmate in 2 with the rook. If black decides to take the d4 pawn with their queen, you can then just take the queen with the bishop to checkmate in 2. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.